What you got there, Samson? Yeah, that's not where the treats are, right? They're in the other end. You're just trying to make your own hole. Aw, you try to make your own hole? Samson, they're on this end. See, that's where they are. There's a treat. He's trying to give it to me now. He's in my lap with it. He won't let me put my fingers in there. Samson, I'm trying to help you. I can't get it when you're trying to stop me. I don't have it. It's right here. I can't get it because he keeps stopping me. There. Samson, look, here it is. There it is, right there. There you go. Got it.